today I am gonna give you a review of this Neon Kings Compound King slime. So let's open this thing. Okay, so there's this. Okay, I need a pair of scissors for that. Let's open it. And done. So now I'm gonna get it out. Come on, you silly. It is literally not coming out. Okay, I'll just poke a finger. It doesn't look too great because it's sticky right now, but I definitely know it'll get fine in some time. See this, right now it's leaving a bit of residue. Oh, okay. Doesn't look that great. Okay, guys, so this is our slime. I think it's good, kind of. It's a bit sticky right now, but it'll take some time to get a bit fine, guys, because it's a bit sticky when it comes out. Okay. Ow, okay, it's really sticking. It'll take some time. I know it'll get fine because, every slime when we get it, it's a bit sticky. Yeah, it's a bit sticky. Okay, now it's fine. Yeah, now it's fine. Now it's really good. Okay, so it's really stretchy and it's not that pokey. I'll just show you guys. Chum, chum, chum. It's not that pokey. It's quite fluffy, it's quite stretchy, yes. See that? Yeah, I definitely think you guys should buy it. It was for 280. I think that's a decent amount because slimes are kind of on the costly side, and of course you need like a 280 rupee slime because yeah, it's definitely worth it. It's super stretchy. But if you want any other slime from Compound Kings, really, I think you should buy it. I think the light just went out. Yeah. Okay, so the light just went out. Yeah, I really recommend the Compound King slime. It's really good, really stretchy. Yeah, so bye guys. Hope you liked the video. If you did, smash that like button. Well, see you all next time. Goodbye.